This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Susan La Grata. Marco Island Beachfront live in Luxury.Front unit with amazing beach and Gulf views from Lanai. Stunning contemporary renovation, completed with impeccable style and taste. 2 bedrooms and 2 new bathrooms plus carport with storage. All impact glass windows and sliders newly installed. New flooring, kitchen, bathrooms, custom cabinets, with elevated dishwasher, architectural interest on ceilings, remote activated floor to ceiling blinds. Stunning chandelier and light fixtures. Fully furnished west/exceptions. Live in a desirable, low density, beachfront residence. Secure lobby with manager on duty Monday through Friday. Additional extra storage, laundry and trash chute on same floor. Tradewinds offers heated pool, barbecue area, sundeck area, steps to beach along private path. For more information, review the details below or contact Susan La Grata at 239-438-7776.